Welcome everybody. Welcome back to our channel, Learn English for Kids. I hope you enjoyed our channel yesterday. And remember, my name is David and this is Jenny. Okay, today's lesson will be about 3 more letters. We're going to look at letter B, C and D. Okay, B, C and D.
สวัสดีค่ะยินดีต้อนรับเข้าสู่ช่อง Learn English for Kids วันนี้นะคะเราก็จะมาเรียนเกี่ยวกับอักษรภาษาอังกฤษกันค่ะและอักษรที่เราจะเรียนวันนี้ก็คือ B, C และ D ค่ะ
Okay, thank you Jenny. Okay, so let's look at the next letter then. So we had A yesterday and today we're looking at letter B. So the phonic sound for letter B is B. B. Okay, repeat after me. B. B.
B, B,
And one more time. B. B.
B, B.
Okay, let's look at the first of our 2 words. So our first word is bat. Bat. B. Bat. B. Bat. Okay, repeat after me. B. Bat.
B, bat,
B. Bat.
B, bat.
Okay, good job. Well done. And our second word is ball. Ball. B. Ball. B. Ball. Okay, repeat after me. B. Ball.
B, ball,
B. Ball.
B, ball.
Okay, great job. Well done, okay? Right, our next letter. What letter comes after letter B?
Letter C.
Good job. Okay, so letter C. So let's look at letter C then. So the phonic sound for letter C is K. K. Okay, repeat after me. K. 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 Okay, good. And our words we're going to look at. Our first word is cat. Cat. K. Cat. K. Cat. Okay, repeat after me. K. Cat.
Cat,
K. Cat.
cat,
And our next word is cake. Cake. K. Cake. K. Cake. And repeat after me. K. Cake.
cake,
K. Cake.
cake.
Okay, good job. Good again. So, after we finish letter C then, so what letter comes after letter C, Jenny?
Letter D.
Okay, letter D. Good. Okay, so let's look at the phonic sound for letter D. So the sound is D. D. Okay, repeat after me. D. D.
D, D.
Okay, good. And our first word is dog. Dog. D. Dog. D. Dog. Okay, repeat after me. D. Dog.
D, dog.
D. Dog.
D, dog.
Okay, great. Okay, and the last word we have today is diamond. Diamond. D. Diamond. D. Diamond. And repeat after me. D. Diamond.
D, diamond.
D. Diamond.
D, diamond.
Okay, great job. So we hope you enjoyed our video today. Don't forget, tomorrow we'll be around again and we'll be having 3 more letters. And don't forget, please subscribe, like, and click the bell notification so that you will know when we release our next video.
ค่ะ ขอบคุณสำหรับการรับชมในวันนี้นะคะ และพรุ่งนี้เราจะกลับมาใหม่ ถ้าทุกคนชอบก็อย่าลืมกดไลค์ กด subscribe และอย่าลืมกดกระดิ่งนะคะ
Okay, thank you and see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.